it's Acoustic Paint. I'm Elizabeth, and today I'm going to be following a tutorial, the Superraedizzle Anyone Can Draw This Christmas Edition. Let's get started.
Step number 1 will be to create a perfect outline.
Alright, outline is done. Now let's move on to step 2.
The incredibly hard step of number 2.
Wait, hold on. She's using toned paper? Oh gosh, okay. So right now she's using kind of brown toned paper and she's coloring on it with a white colored pencil. That's okay. I'm just going to skip this step of coloring the entire thing white because I'm already using white pencil. Let's move on.
Small lines, and I'm going to start off with the small lines. And so all I'm doing is creating a row of 3.
Okay, so I have a reference right here actually, but what she's saying is really good because I don't know if I would have noticed. Candy canes have 2 different types of lines, like she just said. The 3 thin lines and then the 1 thick line.
I want to make the lines look like they're wrapped around the candy cane, so in a kind of circular motion.
So she has a zoomed in version of a candy cane trying to explain that you're not supposed to draw just straight lines with your colored pencil, you're supposed to do kind of curved lines to imitate the lines wrapping around the 3D candy cane. That is a good tip. Alright, so I'm gonna get started with that. Let's do it. Lighten up the outline just a little bit. There we go. Nice, that's been out of frame. Oh my gosh, okay. As you can see, I just finished the outline of the candy cane. Now it says step 3, we're moving on to shadows.
Artify colored pencil set, getting a basic red brown pencil. All I'm doing is just adding some of it to the sides.
Okay, so she's working on shadows by using a kind of reddish brown pencil. I think something like Tuscan red will work. Let me see if I can find that. Alright, so I found terracotta. I didn't find Tuscan red, but that's okay.
Basically, I'm just going to go over what I already created and just create a nice dark smooth gradient right across the candy cane.
Alright, so I just finished following a Anyone Can Draw This Christmas Edition video by the YouTuber Superraedizzle. I think it turned out really well. She didn't mention adding any highlights with a gel pen or anything, but I just decided to because I think that kind of pulled the whole thing together and made the candy cane sort of pop. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. I had so much fun filming it. I love following tutorials for videos. If you have any you want me to check out, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. Click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're alerted every time we post a new video. Share this video with someone if you think they'll like it. I had so much fun. Thank you so much for watching and have a fabulous day. Bye!